It's an elephant.
Yeah, inside the hut.
Ginger.
Or underneath it, whatever you want.
Ginger.
Elephant.
Yeah. Elephant ginger.
Stay put. Here. Take a look. Pay attention to the stems, how it's in there. Those to the stems are almost invisible. So that's, they're named after human hair. It's called the maiden's hair. And I think that's because the stems look like human hair. It's so thin. And the reason they say maiden, see how thin those are? Look at this. Aren't those gorgeous, guys? So those are, yeah, it's a lily, and it's a peace lily. So
It opens up after I see it now. The leaves.
Bananas right there.
Yeah, bananas above it. It's cool.
It's like a steel rod.
Yeah.
See that? Look at this. Look at this.
you guys are passing over here.
all kinds of right?
Понравилось?
Прикольно.
We got a really nice day, obviously. The water's a lovely color. When it rains, it turns brown. But it's been a few days, so it's getting that nice green look to it.
You get black frogs here too?
Что тебе на снэк дали?
I got this. I got that. And I got some chocolate chip square.
So it looks like a little football. That's what grows on the trees. And on a healthy tree, you're going to get about 50 of those in a year. And then inside of them are the beans. When you guys leave this, I hope you realize, one, how healthy cacao can be, how good it can be for you guys, and how cheap you can make it for yourselves and make a higher quality, more healthy version.
Like we don't need to eat anything else.
No, I don't know how you survived without it. So guys, you can all see I filled the molds. I'm going to put that in the freezer, and it'll take about 5 or 10 minutes to set up. In the meantime, we're going to sample chocolates from around the world. So remember, get your snob on. We're going to become chocolate connoisseurs.